Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious Japanese omelet the only way. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 3 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of dashi, and 1 teaspoon of soy sauce. Also, prepare a non-stick rectangular pan, ideally a tamagoyaki pan, for the best results. Gently whisk the eggs to combine them, being careful to avoid creating too many air bubbles. Now, let's master the first layer. Heat your tamagoyaki pan over medium-low heat and lightly oil it. Pour about 1/3 of your prepared egg mixture into the hot pan, ensuring it coats the bottom evenly. Allow this layer to cook until the edges are set, but the center remains slightly runny. This usually takes about 30 seconds, so watch it closely. This is where the magic happens, the art of rolling. Gently roll the cooked egg from one end of the pan to the other, forming a neat log. Push this rolled egg to one side of the pan. Lightly re-oil the empty space. Now, pour another 1/3 of the egg mixture, lifting the cooked roll slightly to allow the new egg to flow underneath it. For the final touch, repeat the rolling and pouring process for your last layer of egg mixture. Cook the entire omelet until it is firm and beautifully golden brown, which typically takes about 1 minute more. Carefully transfer your perfectly cooked omelet to a cutting board. Then, slice it into elegant 1-inch pieces, ready to be enjoyed. Bon appetit!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.